In the grand tapestry of life, financial struggle is a thread that weaves its way through many of our stories. It's a universal experience, a common challenge that connects us in understanding and empathy. Consider the wisdom of the book of Proverbs, chapter 3, verse 9. Honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of all your crops. This verse speaks to the idea of giving back to God as an act of gratitude for the blessings we receive. In the context of financial struggle, it reminds us to focus on the blessings we have, no matter how small they may seem. Next, look at Philippians chapter 4, verse 19. And my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of his glory in Christ Jesus. Here, the Apostle Paul reassures us that God will provide for our needs, not necessarily our wants. It's a comforting reminder that we may face financial struggles, but we are not alone in our journey. In the book of Matthew chapter 6, verse 21, we find, "For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." This verse challenges us to examine what we truly value. In times of financial struggle, it's an invitation to realign our priorities and focus on the treasures that money cannot buy. The wisdom of Proverbs returns in chapter 10, verse 4. Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. This verse is not a condemnation of those in poverty, but a reminder of the importance of hard work and diligence in all aspects of our lives, including our finances. In Ecclesiastes chapter 5, verse 10, we read, "Whoever loves money never has enough. Whoever loves wealth is never satisfied with their income." This verse speaks to the endless cycle of materialism. It's a sobering reminder that financial security does not necessarily lead to happiness or fulfillment. Turning to Hebrews chapter 13, verse 5. Keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have, because God has said, "Never will I leave you, never will I forsake you." This verse offers a beacon of hope amidst financial struggle. It reassures us that God's presence and support are constant regardless of our financial situation. In Matthew chapter 6, verse 34, we find, "Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." This verse encourages us to live in the present and not be consumed by worry about our financial future. Returning to Proverbs chapter 22, verse 7. "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender." This verse paints a stark picture of the dangers of debt, reminding us of the importance of wise financial decisions. In the book of Luke chapter 12, verse 15, we read, "Then he said to them, 'Watch out, be on your guard against all kinds of greed. Life does not consist in an abundance of possessions.'" This verse cautions us against the trap of materialism, emphasizing that life's true value lies beyond our possessions. Finally, in Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11, "Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow." This verse underscores the importance of patience and integrity in our financial journey. To summarize, these verses offer solace and guidance amidst financial struggle. They remind us to be grateful, diligent, and wise in our financial decisions, to focus on our true treasures, and to remember that we are not alone in our journey. They caution against the pitfalls of debt and greed, and they encourage us to live in the present, finding contentment in what we have. These timeless truths offer comfort and hope, illuminating a path forward through the complex landscape of financial challenges.